This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Monya Gott. Great floor plan offering custom gables, giving this beautiful home great curb appeal. You will be impressed with the granite in kitchen and baths. The high ceilings throughout and open layout makes the house feel so spacious. This wonderful neighborhood is perfect to raise your family. Call today for more information, review the details below, or contact Monya Gott at 337-463-2121.